Hey everyone, and welcome to the blog. I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Ryan Temple of Technology Install Partners. Ryan, how are you?
I'm doing great, Alicia. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. I'm glad to be back with you here on the blog.
It's good to be back.
Good. So today you actually brought a topic for us. It is cellular signal booster systems. So you're going to be telling us a little bit more about those, why they're important, and kind of how they work. So I'll go ahead and turn it over to you to give us the lowdown.
Great. So cellular signal boosters, some people refer to them as DAS, distributed antenna systems. Basically it's a way to get a better cell reception inside of your building. So the reality is 80% today of all phone calls made on a cell phone are from inside of a building, where if you look back, even 10 years ago, that number probably wasn't even half of that. So we need to make sure that, you are providing a way for, whether it's your employees or your clients or whomever's in your building, to make sure they can get a reliable phone signal.
Yeah, absolutely. And tell me a little bit about smart building designs and how that's not technically cellular friendly. Why?
No, all the buildings that are getting built today that have LEED standards, they're getting low. There's buildings have a lot more glass, they have a lot more concrete, they're a lot more metal than they used to, and even the ones that are coming that are brick and block. All those things stop the penetration of cellular signal from getting into the building, which cause a lot of problems. So, what has to happen is you need a form of another way for that signal to get into the building, so people can have reliable communication.
Mm-hmm, absolutely. So that actually ties into some mandates that are coming when it comes to first responders and these type of systems. So tell me about that.
Yeah, so there's on the on fire code, they actually have a new law out in 2020 that the first responders have to be able to get their radios inside of a building and be able to use their radios inside of a building at all times and get signal. The reality is, when people call 911, over 50% of those calls are from inside a building, using a cell phone. So if your cell phone's not getting good coverage, all of a sudden the seconds start ticking, and then unfortunately the lives get lost at that point.
Mm-hmm, absolutely. So the last question here is, tell me a little bit about why this is such a strategic investment and really an asset for businesses.
Yeah, so for businesses and even landlords that own these buildings, the reality is people are looking for different flex space. People are using their cellular phones that are provided by the companies in these environments, and maybe they're not using a traditional phone system, and it allows them to again be mobile, be flexible. And if you look where COVID and just in general how we're having more flex space, it's going to be part of going forward. It's going to be an important piece of having a building facility.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for answering those questions for us today. And if you're watching this video right now and you're interested in learning more about the services that Technology Install Partners can provide for you, you're definitely going to want to get in contact. You can give them a call and make sure you're exploring the rest of this website here, technologyinstallpartners.com, to learn more. Thanks for watching.